Hi everyone, Brad Burnett here at Data Ideology. I'm a principal architect. I've been working in data, cloud, and AI industries for about 19 years now. And last 5 of those I've actually spent in Snowflake, and just wanted to go over secure views and regular views with you today in terms of privacy and performance, and just why it matters which view you choose. With secure views, you can hide data and hide logic, but there's a big trade-off. I think there's a misconception that secure view is just a view with masking, but that's not exactly accurate. The catch here is that secure views can run much slower because they avoid some query optimization. So you only want to use them when you need protection, not just convenience. And so I'll go through this quick little demo here and show you. I'm just setting my roles in database, warehouse, all that stuff, double checking them. They're all good. I'm setting my session query tag. And then we're going to create a small table here with some fake PII in it. Insert that fake PII in. And then, oops, run for a second here. I'm going to create a standard view here. And then we're going to create a secure view on top of it, or not on top of that view, but on top of the table as well. So look at standard view, literally just a select, pretty much a select star from the table, shows our fake social security numbers here. If we look at the secure view, we implemented masking in it. And the thing about this secure view, I think you can implement masking if you want, even in the regular view. Like we could take this definition here and put it up here, recreate this, and then recheck our standard view, and it looks identical. But what the secure view is really doing in the background is hiding how we do this, right? If there's any logic here, whatever it is, the logic that creates the view, this statement, is hidden from those who can select from the statement, right? So it can be shared and without sharing what's going on in the background. And I think the real key takeaway here is that secure views are used for security boundaries and not for aesthetics. The secure view, also though, you need to know that the secure view will have performance issues comparatively, or could have. For example, when it's used in a combination with other tables or views, there's just certain optimizations it can't do, and Snowflake doesn't go into full detail on what all of those are, but a common example is like a divide by zero error. So you can cause if it weren't for dropping the query optimizations, you could write queries in such a way that involve a secure view in other tables and cause an error to happen. Like, let's say if a certain piece of data doesn't exist or something, and so sort of find out what is in the data or not in the data by process of elimination, just by getting it to throw errors, right? So it's almost like the secure view will execute all by itself outside and then be brought in, and so that might not always be the most performant way to do that, right? Like you may have wanted to like filter on that, do some other stuff that would require filtering, prior to just bringing in this whole view, but that's not something you can do with secure views. So just make sure that you're using them correctly. Use standard views when you don't mind who can see the definition, of what's creating the view, and use secure views for security boundaries, especially when sharing views outside of your organization. And if you're sharing data or protecting PII, Data Ideology is happy to help you with choosing secure view versus other controls without accidentally taking performance. So thanks for watching, guys, and I'll see you next time.